Hey everyone, I'm Nick Gunderson with Johnson RV, America's #1 premium pre-owned RV dealership located right here in Sandy, Oregon. Today I get to spend a few minutes with you talking about this amazing 2015 Coachmen Freelander. It's a 29KS model. It's a single slide, has a really good floor plan inside, tons of storage. It's a 31-foot Class C, so if you want to bring the kids, bring friends or family with you, you're going to have sleeping for 8. It's perfect for getting you on the road with the generator, large sleeping capacity, huge pass-through storage. We'll get to that, but we'll start at the front here. So it is on the Ford Triton V10 platform. You're going to have 305 horsepower, tons of get up and go. They put this motor into motorhomes all the way up to 40 foot, so at 31 foot, it's going to perform really well. So as we come around the side here, you'll see the stained fiberglass. It's not your traditional just white gel coat with decals. It prevents from that yellowing that you'll see after time on a lot of white fiberglass coaches. So coming around to the house door, you'll see it's a integrated step. You don't have a power step that comes down. It gives you just a little bit higher step to get into, but what it does is it actually raises your ground clearance by not having that lower step down below. You'll see all your access panels, really easy, 6-gallon water heater, access to your refrigerator, you can clean that out. You have a nice little area here to add a TV as well. You'll see the cable plug-in, 12-volt plug-in, mount a TV, and then you're outside under your big power awning, camping, having a good time. So, more storage down here, which this is a good size for putting your lawn chairs or some firewood. But really the big focal point here is this huge pass-through storage. You have 3 entry points here to get into this. Straight through the back as well. I mean, you can haul anything you need to. If you want to get on the road for 2 weeks to a month, anytime long term, you have plenty of space to do that. Plus with this Ford chassis, it's big enough, durable enough where you can really load it down and you're going to be good to go. You'll see big rear window, integrated backup camera, ladder to get up top. All right, coming around here to the driver's side, you'll see another access panel or access door into that same storage. Nice big bedroom windows in here, so lots of daylight when you're inside. Gray tank, black tank release down below, fuel door. Here's your slide out. This is going to be your living room slide out here. One thing I always look for on a little higher end fit and finishes and quality coaches is having that slide topper up there above your slide. It's going to act as a gutter. So if you're parked at a campsite, pine needles coming down, when you pull that slide out, it's rolling all those pine needles and all that debris off, so you're not bringing that in with you. So we've seen the outside, seen what it has to offer. Follow me, we'll go take a look at the inside. Hey everybody, welcome back inside the 2015 Coachmen Freelander 29RKS. Starting here at the beginning, up front in the cab. As I mentioned outside, we're on the Ford chassis, so you can see passenger, driver's seat up front. You know, everything that you see on a Class C on the Ford chassis is all going to be very similar up front. For foot, in your footwells, how much space you have in there, they're all going to be very similar. But coming back into the living area, what I really like is having the sofa across from the dinette. Acts for more of a gathering area instead of having a dinette next to the sofa, this being across from each other, having the TV up top. It's just really nice living room style setup. Plus the big benefit of it is you have 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, you have 7 extra seat belts. So if you're traveling with kids or friends or family, you have plenty of seat belts for everybody. So back into the galley, you have your L-shaped galley here, triple burner stovetop here, microwave, oven down below, dual stainless steel sink, countertop extension pops up here, just gives you plenty of workspace while you're cooking. So we'll come back here into the restroom area. So what I like about this is having the sink outside, vanity mirror, light, towel rack up here. So if somebody's waking up earlier and they want to brush their teeth, wash their hands, you can do that in privacy. You have a pocket door here that slides closed, pocket door here. You can totally enclose yourself in the bathroom. You'll see toilet, shower setup, all enclosed, plenty of space in there. And then back into the bedroom. So you have a walk around queen bed, Plenty of space, makes it really easy to reach all the way to the top here, making this bed really nice plush mattress. You have hookups if you want to add a TV. I like how they do the curved wall here, so it just extends this corner space around the bed, makes it that much easier. You know, all the windows through here and cabinetry, it's perfect private bedroom space. You know, out here we recondition all of our coaches through a very lengthy process. You'll see how clean this one is. We'd love to show you around. Come out here, ask for Nick. Thanks again for watching.